Hey y'all, Mr. Ropes and Wings, along with Mrs. Wings. She's here tonight again.
In my
Blessed.
comfy.
In her comfy.
Because it's cold out.
Libido killer.
Check out that video, by the way, if you haven't seen it.
Yeah. So we're here for our second installment of Ropes and Wings Back Porch. And I was really excited because I found some skivvies that I've been searching for a long time, and I was excited about it. Mrs. Wings, not so much. But if you're getting old like me, your man parts don't stay where they're supposed to be. Some things shrink, other things droop, and next thing you know, you're sliding across your truck seat and sitting on your giblets, or you're jumping in the tractor and just smack dab on your grapes. So I've been searching for a long time for some skivvies that hold stuff where they're supposed to be.
A long time.
Probably since I was 30. That's when things started dropping, I believe.
We've been together 8 years. I've been hearing about it for 8 years.
So I finally found it. Being as active as I am, I'm a medic and a rancher and always on the move. And you want that stuff to be sitting where it's supposed to be. You don't want it sticking on the leg. And it's terrible. Mrs. Wings doesn't understand the trouble. She has other troubles.
But I am happy that he is not bitching about his balls anymore. So ladies, if your husband's bitching about his balls,
get yourself
2 under.
2 UNDR. These things have a patented Joey pouch. Let me get you the colored one so you can see. Look at that. Joey pouch. The unit goes right in there. You pull up your skivvies and everything just goes right where it's supposed to go every time. You don't have to adjust yourself. You don't have to get the giblets in the pocket. I mean, these things are the best. Now, these are a brand new pair. They're not my dirty old ones, but these are brand new. Just got them, and God, I love them. They're perfect.
You woke me up this morning to tell me how great they were.
It's exciting. She'd be excited about a good brawl that works. So I'm excited about a pair of underoos. So these, I mean, I've had underwear in the past that have a different pocket. I won't say the name of them, but every time I pull up my skivvies, I'd have to tuck the beast back in there and get it adjusted. So these things are, to me, the best thing since sliced bread. And I could probably go on and on about it, but we're out here on the back porch, and we're enjoying my Dickel and Coke, and Mrs. Wings has her Crown and Coke, and I just want to present these to you, and check them out, look them up. I know other guys out there had the same problem that I did, and these are the solution. That's 2 UNDR, 2 under. Check them out. And that's about it. I don't know what else to talk to you about on it. I'm excited.
I'm excited you might quit complaining.
So check them out. They're worth the money. So we'll see y'all. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you next time. Love y'all.